Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Emergency Kit is probably one of the most important things you can have in your car. It's designed to help you handle unexpected situations while you're on the road. From flat tires to dead batteries, or even minor accidents, having the right tools and supplies can make a huge difference in your safety and peace of mind. So, let's dive in and find out what makes a great roadside emergency kit. Number 5. First Secure Car Emergency Kit. This car emergency kit is designed for any situation. It includes essential tools to keep you safe on the road. Unlike other kits, this one features durable tools built for performance. The jumper cables and tow strap are made to last, ensuring you're prepared when you need it most. This kit contains all the essential tools you need in an emergency. It includes a tire repair kit, tow rope, window breaker, air compressor, and jumper cables. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need for roadside emergencies. It includes a first aid kit, warning triangle, headlamp, and more. Whether you're a road tripper, commuter, or new driver, this kit is a must-have. It's a thoughtful gift that provides safety and peace of mind on the road. First Secure is committed to your safety and satisfaction. We provide premium quality products and outstanding customer service. This kit is designed to protect you and your loved ones. What we like. This kit stands out with its durable, high-quality tools, ensuring reliability when you need it most. It includes essential items like a tire repair kit and a powerful tow rope. If you are looking for a comprehensive and reliable kit for peace of mind on the road, this is a great choice. What people say. Seems like a solid set of items, and has everything I wanted in an emergency kit. I literally used this to jump someone twice the day it came. The jumper cables were of good quality. The length was longer than most. Number 4. Emergency Roadside Kit for Car 124 PCS. This comprehensive kit includes everything you might need in a breakdown. It contains essential tools and safety equipment to help you handle unexpected situations on the road. It's designed to keep you safe and secure. The kit includes a wide array of items, such as jumper cables, a tow strap, and a multifunction shovel. These 124 pieces are designed to maximize your safety in case of an accident. It's a must-have for any vehicle. The included jumper cables are UL certified for safety and reliability. They feature large alligator clips with non-conductive rubber coating. The reinforced cable is anti-freezing and tangle-resistant, ensuring it's ready when you need it. The toolbox is small and compact, fitting easily in your vehicle. It contains basic tools for emergency maintenance, neatly organized. The sturdy plastic case keeps the tools clean and safe, and it's easy to carry. This small shovel is perfect for various situations, including off-road adventures. It can help you dig out tires or break glass in an emergency. The included storage bag makes it easy to carry for any outdoor activity. This light and compact kit is ideal for new car owners or anyone wanting to be prepared. It can be stored in the back seat, trunk, or spare tire compartment. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for any driver. What we like. This kit offers a staggering 124 pieces, maximizing your safety in any breakdown. The UL-certified jumper cables are safer and more reliable. If you are a new car owner or someone who wants to be fully prepared for any roadside situation, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use and the size is small for the trunk. The scope of items in the kit is excellent. The shovel and teardown straps are sturdy, better than I was expecting. The first aid kit, batteryless wind-up flashlight was sturdy and bright. The jumper cables surprised me more than anything. They are on par with any good jumper cables at an automotive parts store. Number 3. Everlit Roadside Emergency Kit. This kit, designed by experts, provides essential tools for any roadside situation. It includes everything you need to handle unexpected issues and get back on the road safely. It's a must-have for every vehicle. Inside, you'll find repair cable ties, bungee cords, electrical tape, a space blanket, and more. These accessories are designed to help you address various roadside problems. This kit ensures you're prepared for anything. The included air compressor is lightweight and inflates tires quickly. Simply set the pressure, and it automatically shuts off when done. It also has a light and extra nozzles for other inflatables. The kit includes durable 12-foot jumper cables to get your car started. These cables are designed for safety and reliability. They are essential for any vehicle. A complete first aid kit provides basic treatment for wounds and hygiene. It includes bandages, pads, and other essentials to handle minor injuries. This ensures you're prepared for any medical situation. Everlit is committed to excellent customer service. They offer a 60-day return policy and a 1-year warranty. They stand behind the quality of their products. What we like. This kit features a top-notch digital auto tire inflator for quick and easy tire inflation. It also includes 12-foot jumper cables and a comprehensive first aid kit. If you value convenience and preparedness, especially for long trips, this kit is a great option. What people say. The inflator was easy to use and precise. The kit is loaded with every item you might need during an emergency. This relatively lightweight and compact emergency kit has everything one might need in most common situations. Each item is high quality and easy to use. Air pump worked flawlessly fresh out the box. All other items seems durable. I'm sure the jumping cables work, although I haven't tested them yet. Number 2. Twinkle Star LED Roadside Flares Kit, set of 4. This emergency kit features super bright red LEDs, visible from a mile away, ensuring safety day or night. It provides a crucial warning signal in various roadside situations. The kit offers 3 distinct flash modes: strobe, SOS, flashlight, and solid. This versatility allows users to adapt the signal to different emergency scenarios and needs. The flares are easy to operate and come with batteries included. Remember to replace the batteries after several months of use to ensure the device's reliability. The set includes a durable and portable storage case. This case helps save space in your car and keeps the flares organized and protected. These flares are designed for multiple uses, including traffic control, warning signals, and rescue beacons. They are essential for any emergency situation. It provides 3 different flash modes, including strobe, SOS, flashlight, and solid. This allows you to choose the best signal for your situation. What we like. This kit provides high-visibility LED flares with multiple flash modes for maximum safety. The durable storage case keeps everything organized. If you prioritize being seen and alerting others in an emergency, these flares are essential. What people say. The magnet in the end allows for placing high on a vehicle where it can be seen clearly. Strong LED flashing light. Then as a bonus, it also acts like a flashlight if needed as well. They flash a bright red that's brighter and more visible from a distance than the wagon Fred lights, and the height is an advantage for visibility. The tops of these flares light up a bright red, but like the puck-style lights, they also light up the ground immediately around them. Number 1. Roadside Car Emergency Kit, Black. Are you ready for unexpected car troubles? This kit is a must-have accessory for any vehicle. It ensures you're prepared and safe on the road. This kit includes everything you might need in an emergency. It has a reflective warning triangle, safety vest, tow rope, gloves, safety hammer, LED flashlight, and more. The kit is designed to be lightweight and compact. You can easily store it in your back seat, trunk, or spare tire compartment. Looking for a great gift? This emergency kit is perfect for new car owners or anyone who wants to be prepared. They will appreciate the thoughtfulness and practicality of it. With this kit, you can handle unexpected breakdowns with confidence. It's about staying safe and being prepared wherever you go. It provides peace of mind on every journey. What we like. This kit includes all the essentials, from jumper cables to a first aid kit, all in a compact package. It's a thoughtful gift for new drivers or anyone who wants to be prepared. If you are looking for a practical and considerate gift, this kit is a great choice. What people say. I used the tow cable to attach our car to his and he pulled us out. I also made use of the tire checker to verify a malfunction in the car's tire pressure reader. Nice kit. Has all the basics. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.